how to cancel your Google Drive subscription. Google search for Google subscriptions, open up payments and subscriptions here, the first option that pops up. Now you will see Google One. As a Google One member, you get expanded storage. You just want to click on go to Google One. Now right here, what we're gonna do is to click on the gear icon, settings in the top right, and then this should pop up cancel membership. Once you click on cancel membership, again, we are gonna select cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel Google One you're currently using? Okay, so your storage will, after this date, you want to click on cancel membership here, subscriptions. Okay, the next payment is due. We're gonna click on manage again. And now you should see cancel subscription at the bottom. Click on cancel subscription. Decline to answer, continue, cancel subscription. And just like that, we have finally canceled our Google Drive subscription. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.